observe this question number 21. They are asking to prove this result. I'll take LHS and I'll prove RHS. So you first consider LHS. You observe here I considered LHS. Here in the numerator I can use the formula cos C plus cos D. But while simplifying we will get the problem. Cos C plus cos D is what? 2 cos C plus D by 2. 4x plus 3x by 2. That is 2 cos 4x plus 3x is 7x. 7x by 2. This we cannot simplify further. So what I will do here, to avoid these things, I'll take C as 4x, D as 2x. Like cos C plus cos D. I'll use the formula cos C plus cos D. Okay. So what you will get here, this is cos 4x plus cos 2x. First I written cos 4x, next I written cos 2x. What is remaining? Plus cos 3x. I'll write plus cos 3x at the end. We can write like this. Whole divided by, in the denominator also, I'll take these two things. Sin 4x, sin 2x first. Sin 4x plus sin 2x plus sin 3x. Okay. You observe, I'll apply cos C plus cos D formula to this. Here, knowing that formulas, last formulas especially, they are very important. Cos C plus cos D is 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D divided by 2. Cos C plus cos D formula is 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Okay. So, cos C plus cos D formula you apply. 2 cos C plus D by 2. C plus D means 4x plus 2x divided by 2 into cos C minus D divided by 2. That is 4x minus 2x divided by 2 plus cos 3x whole divided by. You observe sin C plus sin D is there. What is the formula for sin C plus sin D? You know the formula for sin C plus sin D. What is the formula? The formula is 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. So you apply that sin C plus sin D formula, this formula to this. Then what you will get? The answer, when we apply the formula 2 sin C plus D by 2. That is 4x plus 2x divided by 2 into cos, please observe here, cos C minus D by 2, C minus D, that is 4x minus 2x divided by 2 plus sin 3x. Okay. So if I simplify this further, what I'll get? I'll get 2 cos C plus D divided by 2. 4x plus 2x is what? 4x plus 2x is 6x. 6x by 2 is what? 6x by 2 is 3x. Into cos of 4x minus 2x is 2x. 2x divided by 2 is 2x. Plus cos 3x whole divided by, denominator also you simplify. 2 sin, look here, 4x plus 2x. 4x plus 2x is 6x. 6x by 2 is 3x. Into cos 4x minus 2x. 4x minus 2x is 2x. 2x by 2 is x. Plus sin 3x. You observe in the numerator part, I can take cos 3x common. Okay. You take cos 3x common in the numerator. If you take cos 3x common in the numerator, what is remaining? 2 cos 2x. Okay. 2 cos 2x plus, when you take cos 3x common, here 1 is remaining. So plus 1 whole divided by, in the denominator also you can observe sin 3x you can take common. Take sin 3x common. When you take sin 3x common, what is remaining? 2 cos x plus 1. Here you observe we did a mistake. 4x minus 2x is 2x. 2x by 2 is what? 2x by 2 is x. So when you take sin 3x common, what is remaining? 2 cos x plus 1. 2 cos x plus 1. Now this 2 cos x plus 1, 2 cos x plus 1 will get cancelled. Cos 3x divided by sin 3x is what? Cos 3x divided by sin 3x is cot 3x. So we got RHS. You observe RHS is cot 3x only. Here I got cot 3x. Hence we proved this result. Hence we proved this question. What they given, we proved it. I hope you understand this. You observe this question number 22. We can do this very easily. But instead of going with LHS equal to RHS method, I'll do this little differently. Okay, so here I'll use this formula. Cot 3x is there now. This 3x can be written as x plus 2x. Can we write like this? 3x can be written as x plus 2x. Yes, we can write like this. Now you observe this part. It is like cot of x plus y. Cot of x plus y. What is the formula for cot of x plus y? The formula is cot x into cot y minus 1 divided by cot y plus cot x. This is the formula we learned about cot of x plus y. So here in place of x here x is there. In place of y here 2x is there. You just apply this formula to this. What you will get? That equal to cot x into cot 2x minus 1 divided by cot y. What is y? 2x plus cot x. Left hand side part what is there? Left hand side part cot 3x is there. Now you just cross multiply. Then let's see what you will get. You just simplify this. Cot 3x into cot 2x plus cot x equal to cot x into cot 2x minus 1. Now you multiply these two things. What you will get? You will get cot 2x into cot 3x plus. Now you multiply these two things. What you will get? Cot x into cot 3x equal to cot x into cot 2x minus 1. Here you observe in the question in the RHS 1 is there. So what I'll do, this minus 1 I'll take it to the left hand side part. Then minus 1 will become plus 1. You observe right hand side part what are remaining? Cot x into cot 2x. I'll write that. Cot x into cot 2x. Now here this part is there now, cot 2x into cot 3x. You take it to this side. Then this plus of cot 2x into cot 3x will become minus cot 2x into cot 3x. Now you observe this one, plus of cot 3x into cot x. You take it to the right hand side part. What you will get? This will become minus cot x into cot 3x. I hope you are understanding. If you observe, you look here, cot x into cot 2x. Okay. Minus cot 2x into cot 3x. We got it. Minus cot x into cot 3x equal to 1. Actually, what I got, this 1 is RHS and whatever this side is there, that is LHS. So I got that LHS equal to RHS only. So what I can say, they are asking us to prove this. We proved this result. This is the easy method of doing this problem. We can try by taking LHS equal to RHS also, but I felt that if you do this problem like this, we are getting answer very easily.